Companies need security for their premises and equipment. Researchers need to collect data from remote places. Governments need to monitor their borders, ports, and entry points. Even mobile work units, like film crews, need to send data, lots of data, back to base camp. And they all need high-speed broadband connectivity to make it work. Kacific CCTV and remote data collection uses powerful satellite bandwidth. It can connect cameras, sensors, and other devices anywhere inside the coverage area. Extremely high speeds for upload means that video and other data can quickly be transferred from the site to the cloud for analysis and response. With Kacific CCTV and remote data collection, you can operate a secure connection and a local or cloud storage system, reach remote sites and overcome challenging terrain, and quickly deploy and integrate into existing structures. Your surveillance network cameras or sensors connect to a local satellite dish, which transmits high-speed bandwidth to the satellite. The satellite relays the signal to our powerful teleport hub, which connects to the internet backbone and to a secure cloud server that stores the collected videos or data. Our satellite dishes can be highly mobile. You can place one on a news van or a trailer, or an oil and gas exploration vessel. And you can add more dishes to quickly connect more sites. Explore and protect with Kacific CCTV and remote data collection. Kacific, the heart of broadband.